Finally, after all these years, I'm about to find out what makes the Krabby Patty taste so good.
Lincoln! Get up out of here. Alright, come on, tell us lock in. Love, L-O-V, L-O-V. I'm still alive! I'm still alive! How? How am I still alive? They gave me a second chance! Yay!